5, 4, 3, 2.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, Miss Frizzle.
Today we will be learning about how plants get food and energy.
Yay!
Does anyone know what this process is called?
No. What's it called?
It's called photosynthesis. But why have me tell you about it when we can go on a field trip with the magic school bus?
Yay!
Let's go! Right now, we're going through the cell wall.
It's turbulent.
I know. And now we're in the sticky cell membrane.
Ew.
This is where all the organelles are. Let's keep going further. To the right, you can see a mitochondria.
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 Mitochondria. In front of us is the endoplasmic reticulum.
Endoplasmic reticulum.
And the nucleus.
Nucleus.
Now, let's go visit the chloroplasts. Hey, Mr. Chloroplast.
Hello, Miss Frizzle, and hello, you handsome lad.
How are you today?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. Can you tell us about yourself?
Certainly. Well, I am in the plant cell, and I have a double membrane and my own DNA. So I reproduce I exist from old chloroplasts.
Oh, that's really cool.
I am also believed to have been derived from prokaryotic organisms that were in plant cells through endosymbiotic relationship, which is where one organism lives in another. But what do I do now? Now, I gather energy from the sun, and I use water and carbon dioxide to make that into glucose and oxygen, and you breathe the oxygen. Then I send the glucose over to the mitochondria, which makes it into ATP. You should ask him what he does next.
But Mr. Chloroplast, how do you gather energy from the sun?
Well, do you see these small sacs?
Yeah.
They're called thylakoids, and inside of them is chlorophyll. That's a green pigment that gathers energy from the sun and gives me this fantastic green color.
Wow, thanks for telling us all this.
Yes, have a nice day.
You too. Come on, Michael, let's go to the mitochondria. It was such a bumpy ride to get here, but we're finally here. Hello, Mr. Mitochondria.
Hello, Miss Frizzle, and hello, young handsome lad.
Will you tell us about yourself?
Certainly. I am a mitochondria, and I have a phospholipid membrane and DNA, which is why I exist from pre-existing cells. It is believed that I am derived from prokaryotic organisms, which are in eukaryotic organisms, which is a symbiotic relationship, where one organism lives and benefits from the other, and vice versa.
Are you also in both a plant cell and an animal cell?
I definitely am, and I get carbohydrates, which I take and I make and I convert them into ATP.
But what are those things on you?
These are called cristae. They are folds in my body that take the ATP that have proteins that are energy harvesting that can help make ATP.
Wow, thanks for telling us, mitochondria. Come on, Michael, time to get back to school. Wasn't that an educating experience?
Yeah, it was.
How about we review with the song?
Alright, but can we go over how mitochondria works? I understand the chloroplast, but a mitochondria is still a little confusing.
Sure thing. 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm a mitochondria, a tiny organelle. I have 2 membranes and an outer shell. Full of my inner membrane are called cristae. That's where organic molecules convert to ATP. This ATP is used for activation energy. Also, highly active cells have many of me.